to the 3rd, Cadet Major Mark Lauren Cabal, Cadet Major James Orbania, Majorette Leader Cadet Lieutenant Shemaya Gabriel Margarata, Band Leader Cadet Lieutenant Angelo Brandis, Company Commander Cadet Captain Janine Bolivar, Company XO Cadet First Lieutenant Homer J. Santiago, First Platoon Leader Boys Cadet Second Lieutenant Paul Contemplacion, Second Platoon Leader Girls Cadet Second Lieutenant Alice Jean Almazan, CAT Facilitator Commandant Lito Glenn Arabis, and Advisor Coordinator Eddie Pontetado Jr., Majorette Trainer Matt Moore Matulis, Kimberly Pascuña, Majorette Coordinator. Entry number 19, Bula National High School, Parade-Bula, Thank you very much. Entry number 19, Bula National High School, Sagrada, Bula, Camarines Sur.